I've never tried anything like this before. Also, bold claim right here. A mold modification like this, I googled it, I YouTube googled it. Not a single video of modifying a mold, an existing mold. Because of how pleased I am with the way this one turned out, with this nice rolled edges and this flange, I'm a bit jealous because my car doesn't have it. But all is not lost. I plan to put it on here anyway. And it's going to kill two birds with one stone, because this bit here, all that was missing. There was a big air pocket in there, broke it all out, overfilled it, and then it's just turned into a nightmare to correct. So what I'm going to do, I'm basically going to cut it here, cut it all along, probably down to here, over to there, and then straight off the back. Because these have got the old hinges in it. They made new ones. So, same on the other side, cut it about there. Oh, cut it, yep. I'm going to draw a line on it. Then stick it back in the mold, and then put the new rolled edges and the flange on. There's definitely no going back now, that's for sure. The next step is to thin down this edge. So sand it back so it comes to a thin point, and then clean up all these little bits. Just sort of sand them off so it's all smooth on all edges, that it's to be glassed again. Prepare the mold, so wax PVA, bolt the mold over this, put it back on the rotisserie, then put gel and glass on it. Easy done. Now I've got the body modification cleaned up a bit. I've decided I want to get rid of these door handle knob bits and this guy at the front here. I've never been a fan of it. So in order to do this without leaving a big hole behind it after I cut it off, I have filled the backs of them with fiberglass, and also underneath here. So when I cut that off, there will be fiberglass there, and I'll sculpt it, put a little bit of filler over it, make it nice and smooth. Same with theirs. Let's do that. And the body modification and the body work is complete. Now she's going off to paint. She's in high fill. It's going to be blocked back so it's nice and smooth. And then it's ready for some colour. Here it is. It needs a light cut and polish. That's straight off the gun 2-pack or 2K. Took 3 days and a heap of masking tape and paper. And it is based off the SoCal Roadster. It's not exactly the same. The SoCal Roadster comes out to about here, so a nice smooth arc that way. I didn't want to get into all this because it's just a pain in the butt. But it still looks pretty cool. And my first graphic paint job, I got it reasonably symmetrical. Yeah, very happy. You see on that one, it's got a little nub there. This one got shaved off. The little door handle nubs on those. No door handle nub on this one. And that dash came out wicked. Lines up perfectly. Took a long time to just run the first tape. But I'm very happy with it. In that little bit there, it's going to have CROC rods. Haven't decided what colour. I was going to do white like the SoCal one, but I'm thinking like a stainless. Something stainless or black even. Not sure yet. Come to cross that bridge when I come to it. On the inside of the boot lid, if I can open this thing, it's going to go black. The body tag has been taped off, same as that one. I think I'm going to go matte black in all here, matte black in there, and all visible areas. I think will look pretty cool. I still am to put boot lid stops on this, like I did with this guy in the previous video. So bit lid stops, which is going to be hard because it's painted now. A bit of heat in there and it will destroy it, so I'm going to be real careful about that. But yeah, I'm very happy. Thanks to my spray painter buddy for doing this for me. Now, I've got to finish this guy. I've been working on it. Got a few plans for it. I'm going to modify it so I can fit in there more comfortably. But yeah, body's finished. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.